Good day. Following are the biggest stories shaping India on 10th October 2025. India, Australia ink landmark security pact for submarine cooperation. In Melbourne, India and Australia signed a defence agreement covering joint military talks and submarine rescue collaboration, deepening strategic ties in the Indo-Pacific. UK Starmer backs India's bid for permanent UN Security Council seat. On his first official visit, UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer reaffirmed support for India's candidature, echoing calls for UN reform amid rising global stakes. India pushes ahead on first US LPG import tender, deadline extended. In a bid to diversify energy sources, Indian state refiners extended the deadline for their inaugural long-term liquefied petroleum gas (LPG) import tender from the US to 17th October. Center to set up Apex Transport Agency for Unified Planning. The government will launch a new federal body under the Cabinet Secretariat to oversee transport sector planning and eliminate siloed decision-making. 100 crore rupees boost to transform Nagpur complex into state-level sports hub. Maharashtra allocates fresh funds to upgrade its divisional sports facility into a premier center, with Olympic standard amenities and expanded capacity. Gold smashes $4,000 per ounce amid surge in Indian demand and global flows. Bullion rally reignited as Indian seasonal demand and tight global supply push gold past $4,000, while silver also sees sharp gains. Fintech Fest sidelines crypto. India signals preference for e-rupee rollout. Despite a record turnout at Global Fintech Fest in Mumbai, digital assets and stablecoin discourse were shunned, pointing to a regulatory tilt towards central bank digital currency. Taliban foreign minister makes first ever India visit amid thawing ties. Afghanistan's acting foreign minister Amir Khan Muttaqi arrived in New Delhi on Thursday as he kickstarted his 8-day visit to India. Upon his arrival, the Ministry of External Affairs in India extended a warm welcome. Richa Ghosh's blazing 94 propels Indian women to 251 versus South Africa. In the Women's World Cup match in Vishakhapatnam, Ghosh's attack mode innings anchored India's total, showcasing her rising status in the batting order. India's first travel literary festival, Yanam 2025, to debut in Kerala. Slated from 17 to 19 October in Varkala, the festival will merge narratives and journeys, spotlighting authors, travelers and local culture through trails and sessions. That's all for today. Thank you. For daily headlines and facts, tune into our channel.